Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then log into your account if you haven't already. After that, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And here you will be able to see the overview of all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your Binance account. Here, tap on Withdraw, and now you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. Now let's say you want to transfer USDT from Binance. Search for it, and you just have to tap on it, and then select the Send via Crypto Network option. After that, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the address network and enter the amount. So in order to get out of these details, you need to launch your Bitget Wallet mobile application. And here on the homepage, you need to tap on your deposit option. After that, you will be able to see various types of options here like the receive option. You can even buy cryptos here, and you can even do P2P trading in your Bitget wallet. So you just have to tap on the receive option. And here for USDT, you just have to select the network which you want. So let's say you want to receive your USDT based on the TRC20 network. So you just have to select it, and you will be able to see a QR code as well as deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy that from here. Then come back to this page and paste the address in this section. After that, in the network, you need to make sure that it is the same network that you have selected in your Bitcoin wallet. So in the network, you need to select that network. After that, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw from your account. After filling these details, you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then on the next page, you just have to simply wait until your transaction is completed. Once this step is done, you will be able to transfer your crypto from Binance to the Bitget wallet. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.